A feeling that the thread is going to be cut. Perhaps too soon. In any case, incredibly quickly. If we had known, always busy trying to walk on it as wisely as possible so as not to fall, there will be no return to reality, to the predictable life that is always to be anticipated. This eternal in-between, an irrevocable wandering between past regrets and future apprehensions. We could have thought about it, we should have thought about it, by wasting too much time, by wanting to do well, to do quickly, to do. We no longer felt ourselves. And what if this very moment was actually meant to make us understand how much the instant was present, and the present was but an instant? The atmosphere is heavy, oppressive, fear is palpable, relentless and tormenting each one of us. The silence we all felt within us always takes form in space, becomes material, real, and is an immeasurable anguish. How did we get here? To playing the final tune before the shipwreck? You don't dare look at each other, as if the feeling of shame is worth more than the feeling of fear. Then a noise rings out. The walls begin to vibrate, to tremble. The bodies occupy the space, the music. It has started to invade it. We must focus on this sound, enough so that we no longer have to do it. Never again. Music, noise, rhythm, fragments, arrhythmia, dissonance. Let yourselves be submerged by this gradual darkness. Accept the fact that your mind is overwhelmed. It is now up to your body to search and thus discover a new place, now entirely dedicated to it. Allow yourselves to feel the music, to feel yourselves fully. Feel yourselves. Listen to yourselves. We are all here for the same reason. We will leave at the same time. Your bodies merge, almost trying to assemble as if it were the key, the solution. Observe the people around you. They are your own rhythm. Feel yourself in these bodies, these accelerated breaths, this intoxicating smell. When you close your eyes, you will feel yourself. When you open them, you will feel others. Let your body choose. Sometimes it will adapt to the rhythm imposed by the music, and sometimes it will decide to deviate from it, to move faster or take its time. It creates its own tempo, builds its own melody. Free yourself. Let your arms take control, your palms soar and your fingers twist. Enjoy the sweat beading on your skin, the warm body merge in this orgasmic multitude. Dare to touch, to collide, dance with others, with yourselves, move. Tremors, pulses and frenzy. We will be no more than a movement, a sigh, a final ecstasy. The thread has been cut. The tightrope walkers have fallen.